This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Luxury waterfront condo offers sweeping views of the Elizabeth River. Open floor plans throughout include eat-in kitchen and living room, dining room combo. Enjoy a drink at the wet bar next to your wood-burning fireplace. Private balcony along the side of the property. Huge primary suite boasts ensuite bath and walk-in closet. This space is ready for all your personal touches. Flooring allowance considered with an acceptable offer. Enjoy the community's private pier, stunning sunsets from one of your balconies, and morning coffee while enjoying the breeze off the Elizabeth River. For more information, review the details below.